Welcome, in front of me is an LG K30 from 2019, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, there is one thing that you will need, which is this SIM eject tool. This comes usually provided in a box with the device, but if you can't find it, you can always use something like a paper clip. Just straighten out one of the edges and it will work just fine. So from there, if you're putting only the SIM card, then you want to use the top tray right here, as you will see. There are two different ones, but if you're putting SIM card and SD card, then I advise on using the bottom one, considering the bottom has also place for the SD card. So just take that out, and from here put in the SIM card, like so, and SD card, there we go, and then slide it back into the device. Just put in the pin, so as you can see there is the SD card and pin was for the SIM card, so both of them are working just fine. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.